Subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget hit the bell icon for get daily notification update. Hi friends, welcome to the world of gadgets. So guys, today in this video we have with us a Bluetooth wireless neckband feature with Bluetooth 5.0. Here the company is MULO WONDERLOOP 500. So before unboxing, let's intro first. So if you are a first time user, you are watching this video, so please subscribe, or if you didn't subscribe this channel, so please subscribe my channel and let's start. So here the box is looking slim and pretty colorful and attractive. One side written join the hashtag millennial, and the upper side is the MULO logo mentioned. So here I bought this device from amazon.in, and here the box in this packet. So here this the bill we got from the Amazon, and you can see the price here, the price we have to pay. Now this is the device. So on the back of the box you can see the specification. You just pause the video and you can see the specification mentioned on the back of the this box. So one of the feature is that it has a call vibration alert features which is included in this device. Also the battery backup is slightly good. It will gives you a 24 hours backup on standby. Also the great feature is that it is sweat proof and water resistance, that is mentioned in the specification, you can see. Now let's open up the box. The box slides off very easily, and inside box you get a brown box with the logo mentioned on the box. Now let's open up this box. Inside the brown box you get a neckband. Under the black plastic layer you get a micro USB charging cable and some extra set of silicone ear tips. Also a welcome card and user manual. Now coming back to the headphone, the ear tips are magnetic, and this keeps them together even when taken off. On the right hand side of the headphone you get a power button and the volume control. Keep pressing the button to on or off the device. Here blinking light shows that the device is in pairing mode. Here also a USB charging port for charging this device. On the left hand side here the MULO logo mentioned. The headphone seems very flexible and made of durable materials. The ear tips are very soft and comfortable. Looking wise it is a very premium quality. These headphones have 10 mm speaker driver for a deep bass sound. If we talk about the performance of this device, so actually I am using this device almost 2 years and still I am using this. The performance of this device is I am going to give a big thumbs up. So if you are looking for a Bluetooth headphone, so this is the best for you. Buy. I am giving the link in the description below. You can just click on the description link and you can just buy this device. If you think that this video is useful, then give this video a like. Please comment what you like or dislike in this video and share with your friends and family so that they can see this product. And please subscribe to my channel because we are coming up with some amazing tech products. Thank you and bye bye.